6 months ago, we didn't just test a car. We changed what a crash could mean. Today, that legend returns, hypercharged for a new era. Because at Tata Motors, safety isn't tested for controlled conditions. It's tested for the realities of the road, for the moments drivers face every day, and for the ones they never see coming. Because on the road, everything can change in an instant.
Ready to launch? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sometimes, the best crash is the one that never happens. But reality doesn't wait. Because sometimes, someone else's mistake becomes your reality. The most dangerous crashes aren't the ones you expect. The ones no one prepares for are the ones that matter most. So we did. Not for the crash, but for what comes after it. At Tata Motors, safety begins before impact and endures long after it, preventing what can be avoided, protecting what matters when it can't. And preserving safety beyond the impact. Because safety isn't proven at impact, it's proven in everything that follows. Safety that's proven legendary.